Hi everyone. So in this video, we'll see that how we can create shared parameters and import them in our project without any manual work. Okay, for that one, I have created an Excel that which parameters we wanted to import in our model. So right there, I have created four parameters that I want to import in my model. So how I can do that thing? For that one, I'll open my data. First of all, I'll go in my manage tab and we'll click on shared parameters. And for you, I'll create a new txt file. It's kind of shared parameter file. So I'm just giving a name as B. Right there, we have nothing in this one. Okay, I'll click on OK. Now I'll go in my Dynamo. I want to search for yeah, create shade parameters for all categories. Right now, I'm creating um, these shade parameters that are shown in Excel for all the categories. After this video, in this video, we'll see that we can create the shade parameters for specific categories as well. So we'll see after this kind of Dynamo script that one. So for that one, we are using this this default Revit node for this Dynamo script, and then the input needed right here, parameter names. Parameter names we already have in Excel. So what I'll do, I'll search for import Excel. First of all, I just wanted to tell you, Dynamo is nothing just about your logic, how you are thinking to be proceed with your particular work that you wanted to do. So for this one, my thinking is like that. I'm using this node, and then puts are needed for this node are 5 right there. So in this one, I know that instance I can give the boolean. It's true, false, that kind of thing. The parameter group, there is one node in Dynamo itself, so there is not any issue with this one. Parameter type as well, we have one node in Dynamo itself, so there is again no issues. Group name, it's a string, so whatever I wanted to give, it will be taken. So our concern is about the parameter names, and parameter names, obviously we know that which parameters I want to assign. So parameter names already we have, but I just wanted to give the command to Dynamo itself. So all these four nodes are already in Dynamo. We are just assigning this single node from outside to Dynamo. So for this one, I'll click on import Excel. Uh, so for this one right here, again, same thinking. For file, I wanted to search for file path because I want to assign the file. So I'll search file path right here. And from there, I'll search from file from path, and I'll connect with this one. So I have given one input to this node, and I know the sheet name will be in Excel, so I can directly set right here as a sheet 4. I guess I have assigned in Excel. Let me cross check. Yeah, this is sheet 4. So I'll assign as sheet 4 right here. And then yeah, read as string. I want to read as string because my notes that I have set as string only. So I'll go with true, and I want to see the Excel as well. That's your choice. You want to see the Excel or not. So that's how we have given this one, and we'll see what is the output of this one. First of all, I wanted to give the path of my Excel. So this is my Excel. Now if I'll run it, right there, we can see all the parameter we have, parameter names. But I want to rearrange this one. First of all, I do not need the title parameter name. So what I'll do, rest of item node I'll use, that will remove my first header of the list. If I'll run it, I'll show you the first header has gone. So that what I needed, because I have only four parameters names in my Excel. That was the title only that I do not need. But right now I wanted to flatten this one, so it should be in a single list. So what I'll do, I'll use command flatten. That's all I needed. Now, if I'll run it, we can see we have all four parameter names. That's all. I'll give this one. Now the group that I need, group means if I'll go in Revit, group is all about this one. That whatever I want that I can give. Okay. So right now I wanted to assign the group as where's my code block, man? Yeah, as BIM Guru, whatever we wanted to assign. I'm assigning all those four in this one. Okay, so I'll click on this one. The type, yeah, we have parameter type node and Dynamo itself. So I'll search for parameter types, sorry, types from RKlab. Make sure that which node I'm using. You can check it out from right here. So parameter types I can search for, and I want this parameter type should be text because text we can edit anytime. And parameter groups as well, groups these are for Dynamo only. So the PG something, the group name will be for Dynamo. It will convert in a single kind of things. PG means parameter groups. So ignore that one for Dynamo. I wanted to assign this one as identity data in Revit. So I'll go for identity data. Where is the identity? Yeah, right there. Oh, sorry. And what's going on? Parameter data, sorry, identity data. Yeah, it's right there. I'll assign to group and then instance parameter. Yeah, I need, I wanted to assign all those four as instance parameters. So either I can use Boolean or I can directly type in code block as true. But for now, I'll use Boolean. So I want these one to be instance parameter. So yeah, our list is completed. If I'll write here some elements, duct, pipe, something like that. Now, if I'll click on this one, I can see there in identity data, till now we do not have any of those parameter, alpha, beta, something like that. If I'll run, sorry, if I'll run my this one, Dynamo script, yeah, let's run. And now if I'll click on this one, yeah, it's already there because I have created for all the categories. So that is why we can see those parameters right there. If you wanted to create these nodes to a specific category, then we can do that thing as well. How we can? For that one, we can use create shared parameter node by Genius Loki. All those things are same except the category. Okay, so right there you can assign from get all categories, something like that. All categories in document, and then you can use all elements of category. Then you can connect element dot name, of course, or category dot name. I guess you can go with category, yeah, whatever you want. I'll go with category dot name, I guess, because that will be good. See category, create category dot name. Okay, I'll freeze this one for now. Just want to tell you that all the categories will be right there. And if you want to assign, these are the names. Okay, so you can search category dot by name. Maybe it will be right there. by name, I guess. Yeah, so you'll find all the categories right there. Sorry, it's showing some error because there are some of will be none. So you can remove the null values because those are not the actual categories for Revit. That is why I have converted this one by this way. So all those categories are of Revit categories, and you can remove the nulls, remove null, clear null, something like that, and then you can assign to this node. All the remaining values will be directly assigned where we have assigned this one. So that's how we can proceed in this way. I guess you already noticed that how we can proceed with this one. So for this one, I have used Genius, Loki, ArcLab, those kind of packages you can work off. And if you are getting any issues, just comment it down right there. I'll respond. Okay. Thanks a lot, guys, for watching this video. Let's meet in my next video.